Hello guys, I am Despert. Obviously, in order to write a code, we need something where we can write code. It could even be a simple text file, but obviously professional developers use more complex tools. Today I will present you 3 IDEs, i.e. integrated development environments. Also, there are many on the market, but 2 of them are used by a lot of developers, and the third one will help us easily and quickly display our smaller scripts immediately. The first one is Visual Studio Code. Visual Studio Code is one of the most used development environments in the world, which supports 36 languages by default, and thanks to various add-ons you can create a lot of things in it. Basically, I recommend this development environment as it is developed by Microsoft and is therefore constantly improved. The second one is WebStorm, another great IDE which is developed by JetBrains. I think WebStorm generally more efficient at refactoring and testing JavaScript and JavaScript based code than Visual Studio Code, so I like to use this in my work. The third one is JSFiddle.com. JSFiddle is an online IDE. It is a great tool for testing and sharing web code. This is great because you can try your code if you can't use your own computer. For example, you are a student and you use a library computer, or you don't want to download anything. In this series, although I prefer WebStorm, I am going to use Visual Studio Code because it is more popular in general. For smaller scripts and examples, I am going to use JSFiddle, so you can see how useful it is for testing small things. You will find all the necessary links below in the description, so that you can also download the IDE you want. Thank you for watching guys, don't forget to like and subscribe.